Hey guys, my name is Max and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be working on my 2013 Toyota 86. So there's a little bit of backstory of the car. So I did a clutch replacement a couple weeks ago. The main reason of the clutch replacement was the throwout bearings. I just started to making noise and I thought, yeah, I'll just replace it. It's not that hard. And after about 2 weeks, 3 weeks now, I noticed there's a noise every time the clutch is engaged, and I put my foot on the accelerator. So I suspect the noise might be coming from the drivetrain or the drive shaft. So in today's video, I'm gonna remove the drive shaft and try to see if everything's aligned properly and put it back in and see if the noise is still there. Guess we'll figure it out together. Alright, let's get started. So, I found it's really hard to put you guys underneath the car. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove the front wheel, and I'll see you guys here. So it might be a bit easier, clear for you guys to see better.
The suppression, the use of marijuana. The suppression, the use of marijuana. The suppression, the use of marijuana. The suppression, the use of marijuana.
Alright guys, I guess we've fixed our problem. Let me show you guys. So that's the rear diff. So what happened was I didn't line up this dot to this dot, and as this dot was over here and that was lined up, probably that was the reason causing the drive shaft unbalanced somehow. I don't really understand, but now it sounds normal. There's no noise or anything, just the gears inside the diff that's spinning. So I'm gonna give it a go and see in a couple of weeks time if it runs better. So for 1 second I turned off the camera. I hurt myself. I knocked myself on the piece of plastic that holds, I think that was the brake lines. Yeah, then it started to bleed a little. But we are all good. As for progress, I've taken out the front pipe. As you can see, it's down there. Yep, that's the front pipe. So I've just realigned the transmission just to make sure everything on the transmission side is good. So I don't have to worry about, since I'm under the car. I might undo the front engine skid plate as well, just to double check if there's everything's aligned. There's no leak from the headers since I'm under there. All right, let's keep going. That's pretty much done. I'm just gonna put the wheel back on.
Suppression. Use of marijuana.
Remember to torque the wheel nuts to 89 foot-pounds.
Suppression. Use of marijuana.
Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I'm gonna go for a test drive, see how it feels. Alright, I'll see you guys next time.